in fact, the Ministry of Home Affairs has issued guidelines as far as temples and other religious places are concerned, and they are all set to open. In fact, places of worship are essentially being sanitized as per the guidelines. MHA has also asked devotees to wear masks and follow social distancing norms. No physical offerings are being allowed by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Here's a report.
The preparations are underway. In just days from now, places of worship across India will open their doors for devotees. Last Thursday night, the MHA came up with a new set of guidelines. The prime focus will be to ensure social distancing.
Large number of people visit the shrine. It is important that physical distance and other precautionary measures are followed at the temple. Recorded devotional music can be played at the religious site, but no group singing to be allowed to avoid the risk of infection. Devotees will have to bring their own mats in place of using public postures at the shrine and take it back with them.
Sanitization process is underway at many places of worship.
Every point of Gurdwara, there are certain people deployed by the Gurdwara authorities to guide the people what line to follow to pay the obeisance, just because to de-infect the Gurdwara, to avoid the kind of infection. These are the SOPs. In fact, this is how the sanitization drive is continuously going on in every part of the Gurdwara to avoid the infection.
Under the new rules, physical offerings like prasad or distribution or sprinkling of holy water are not allowed inside religious places. However, the centre has allowed the community kitchens or langars at religious places to operate with proper physical distancing norms while preparing and distributing food.
जो लोग यहाँ पर वज़ू करके नहीं आते हैं उनको लेकर के सामने की तरफ में आप देख रहे होंगे टैप्स लगी हुई हैं। उन टैप्स में एक छोड़ करके एक टैप ही खोली जाई रहेगी, बाकी टैप्स को बंद कर दिया जाएगा। वहाँ पे जब लोग जहाँ बैठ के नमाज़ पढ़ेंगे उसको लेकर के भी मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूँगा कि कैसे ज़मीन पर सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन करवाने के लिए इस तरीके से बॉक्सेस बनाए गए हैं, इस तरीके के क्रॉस के निशान बनाए गए हैं। यहीं पर लोग बैठेंगे और उसके बीच में प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस रखी गई है।
This is the beginning of a new normal, a new way of practicing our beliefs and faith. Bureau Report, Republic TV.